It's a good easy way for me to, if I delete something that I don't.
Okay, I go the other way. Now you can get a better. Oh, here it comes.
Yes.
No, don't start with the wings now.
Stay still for a second, you're too far apart.
Really?
No, stay still.
She wants to let us get that close. See how close he'll get. Maybe he'll stop.
No!
Maybe not.
I love how he just keeps slowing into his fork.
Watch him take to the air and grab it out of your hand.
Yeah, he'll surprise you. Yeah, I don't want it anymore.
Maybe maximum.
Do something funny for the end. Chase the bird. Throw it in the water.
No,
Just a piece.